Are you excited for Christmas? Me, it's just, it is what it is, because this year is just giving back poor. Bad poor. I really like the color. This is a score. Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 7. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. So today I am heading outside. Before I get into this video, guys, I hope all is well and everyone is in best of spirit. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. With that being said, let's head on out. So guys, I am back home. It's a little bit cold, but it's bearable. There was a thrift shop in the area. Actually just wanted to go look around. I wasn't looking to pick up anything, but I did. So I will show you guys what I picked up from the thrift shop. So this is the bag. I always walk in my reusable bag because you have to pay for bags right now. Got 2 items. So my first item, guys, is this jacket right here. It's a brown color. Oh, it's squished up from me putting it in the bag. Can you see that? North Face. It's a North Face. It is authentic because I have that same North Face jacket in black. So I know for sure that is authentic because this is the sticker right here. It's a medium. I'll try it on so you guys can see how it fit me. The sleeves. Long enough, and you can see that this jacket is in proper care. I really like the color. Love the color. Love the color. This is a score. Jeans jacket. This one was $10. Diamond Chan denim. I don't know who's that, but I'll Google after so we can see who's that person. This is giving more like oversized look. This is just giving. I really like this jacket. Even like cargo denim jean jacket. That's what I like about it. It has its own, you know, character to it. That's about it. That's the 2 items that I got. This is a good buy, good purchase, because where else you gonna get North Face authentic Parker winter jacket for that price? Girl, it had to come home with me. So I'm now gonna go and head to the kitchen. I'm gonna make my cup of tea and eat a slice of the eggnog cake, and then I'll get back to you guys because I'm gonna start making the lasagna soup in a bit. Yo, that eggnog cake, let me tell you, the eggnog cake is so good. 18 days till Christmas. Are you excited for Christmas? Me, it's just, it is what it is, because this year is just giving back poor. Bad poor. But once we got life, that is the biggest blessing. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so I am back. It's 5:20. I'm in the kitchen right now, so I am going to start making the viral TikTok lasagna soup. So I'm going to get my ingredients together. I went on TikTok to find the recipe. It doesn't look that hard anyway. Hopefully it comes out properly, but I have confidence in myself. I didn't bother get the ricotta cheese because the ricotta ain't cheap, and on top of that, I'm gonna just have it there in the fridge when I'm trying to get rid of stuff that I have before so it won't spoil. Maybe I just put some sour cream on there instead. So let's get started, guys. So this is the ingredients. This is the ground meat, and can you believe this $7. Madness. I do have the tomato paste in here, beef broth, whipping cream. When is the expiry date? Lord God, November 23rd. Jesus. So we're December the 6th. So we need to finish that up. I'm not gonna die. I'll be fine. I have tomato, onion. I'm gonna put some spinach in there. I don't know how my son's gonna feel about that, but we're gonna put some spinach and lasagna pasta. Forget to show you guys, I'll be using garlic as well. I normally use my minced garlic, but if you have the regular garlic, the whole ones, that is fine. So I'm gonna cut up my onions and tomato. The only reason I'm using more tomato because I don't know if this would be enough. I think that should be enough tomato paste. In the recipe, she's sauteing the onion and the garlic first, but personally I like to cook my mincemeat first and then add in the onions and the tomatoes and the garlic, and then after all of the rest of the steps. I'm tweaking it a little bit, you know, still gonna follow the recipe on the other things that she's doing. So the pot is here. I'm just heating it up, and after the pot is hot, I would add my ground beef after. Let me turn the fan on so you will hear a noise. The ground beef is cooked. I am gonna add in the onions now. Stir that up. Okay, my son do not want spinach in there, so I am gonna leave the spinach out. Stir that around. I'm gonna season my meat with garlic powder, smoked paprika, a bit of chili flakes, parsley, Italian seasoning as well, and some dry basil and some onion powder. We're gonna mix that all up. I'm gonna leave it a little bit so it can cook a little, and I'm gonna come back. Now I'm gonna proceed to break up my pasta. Wait guys, I forget to add garlic. Lower it down a little, and we'll be back. So I'm done breaking my pasta, and this should be good. This should be good. For the sauce, I'm using Hunt's 4-cheese pasta sauce. So it's drying down. Gonna add some of the tomato paste. Mix that all up. So now I'm gonna add some Hunt sauce. I'll be using beef broth. They'll be using chicken broth, but I'm gonna use beef broth instead. This won't be enough to cook the pasta, so I need to add a little bit more. Add some whipping cream. I'm gonna put it to boil, and then I add my pasta, because we all know if you add pasta in a pot and it's not boiling, it's gonna be a disaster. I'm gonna be back very soon. The meat sauce is boiling. I'm gonna stir it again, and then I'll add in my pasta. I'm gonna add some cheese to my pasta as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and grate some cheese. Alright guys, so this is what the pasta is looking like. It's looking pretty good. The pasta is not stick together. I'm gonna wait for it to cook a little bit, and then after I'll add some marble cheese and also some Parmesan cheese in here as well. So I'll see you guys back in 20 minutes. Alright guys, so we're done. I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna dish out my dinner. Alright guys, so this is our dinner. I added a little bit of sour cream just to, you know, spice it up a little bit, and I cannot wait to give it a try. So I'm gonna do a taste test on camera and let you guys know what I think about this. It's actually good. Mm. I like it. It's creamy, very creamy. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Well, tomorrow. I see you guys tomorrow. Bye.